Welcome to the 2022-2023 school year. I am Ms. Traster. I teach special education, specifically Math 1 and 2 and Algebra Geometry 2. A little bit about myself. I am a graduate of Truman State University. I earned my Master's of Arts in Special Education in 2009. This is my 14th year of teaching. Prior to teaching in Lee Summit, I taught in independent school district, and then I taught Braille and managed a blindness rehabilitation program in Kansas City. This is my third year with Lee Summit. Last year I was a substitute teacher, so I'm excited to be back in the classroom full time. My husband and I live on a farm. Our farm raises sheep, goats, and pigs, as well as different crops. You're always welcome to come out to our farmers market on Saturdays at Drum Farm in Independence. We do have 4 children. This is a picture of my husband, our children, and myself. In my spare time, I like to read and play music, and I am a living history reenactor with the Kansas City Renaissance Festival. I am a Scottish storyteller, and I also sing songs from Scotland, and recently I've been learning to play the bagpipes. So we will have a couple of special guests in our room. These are 2 of our Nessies, or Loch Ness monsters, that come to visit us. You'll see them throughout the year helping with the class. So why am I here? Well, I believe that all students can learn. Math is everywhere, and everyone can be a mathematician. And learning is a lifelong process. We never stop learning throughout our life, and that's something that I want to really inspire in the students that I work with. So this is more for the parents and the students, how to contact me. Best way to contact me is through my Lee Summit email, jessie.traster@lsr7.net. All course information, including the syllabus, will be posted on Schoology. The syllabus will also be posted on the school's website. If you go to staff and you go to special education, when you scroll down and find my name, my syllabus will be on there. I do grade in Schoology, which I then sync to PowerSchool, so you will be able to find grades in both of those places. If there is a discrepancy, Schoology is probably the more accurate, because sometimes it does take a second to sync between the 2 platforms. If you are having trouble creating a parent Schoology account, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. So what do you need to do to be successful in this class? Come to class prepared. Make sure you're participating and asking questions, and make sure you're staying organized. Every student will be provided with a binder that will be kept here in the classroom to help you organize your notes and assignments. I'm really looking forward to this year. I think we're going to have a great time. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.